Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix CapCut export failed problem on iPhone and Android. If you're using any iPhone or Android or you are having this type issue that your CapCut export has been failed, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open up your settings, and here you have to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to make sure that your network connection is strong. So you have to briefly enable your airplane mode and disable it up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you have to try a wait for your phone until it's connect to internet, and then you just have to go back and retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to open up your settings, then go for general, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected you have to try to disconnect with your VPN and then retry. Or if you are still having the same issue, so it might be that there will be any bug into your CapCut app, so you just have to make sure that you have saved your video into your CapCut profile. Then you have to go to your settings, and here you have to open up this general section, then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to look for CapCut, and then tap on offload app. Then tap on offload app again. Once you have that, your app will be offloaded. If there will be any bug into your CapCut app, so it will fix in this step. In Android, you have to open up the app settings, and from here you have to clear cache files and clear storage, and after that you just have to tap on reinstall in your iPhone, and once your app has been reinstalled you can easily use your CapCut app without any issues. So in this way you can easily fix if your CapCut export failed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.